Yes folks, welcome back to the Stratosphere. If I look a bit flustered, it's because I've been busy getting it ready. And we are ready for the off. Everybody's wondering where it's gone. We're here. Well, it's a long haul, but we made it safely, and we're just waiting for Mike. First job, disconnect the half shafts from the transmission, see what's going on there, and then I'll be looking at the tube. Not easy to get to those bolts. We have identified the clunking noise, the absence of grease, because this is a dead flat surface, and that is a dead flat surface too, and as you can see, the grease has found its own way out, so that's kind of good news. A lot of half shafts have a cap on the end to keep the grease in place, but a lot don't. And of course, there's always something interesting at IDR. In this particular instance, a later Renault Alpine, not David's, and yeah, enjoy. We also spent a little time sorting out the race car, not running well, and thanks to Randy, the Chevy Whisperer, he adjusted the timing a little, readjusted all the carburetor situation. So this is Randy, the Chevy Whisperer. Apparently it was running way too rich on the left-hand bank, and Mike seemed pretty confident it's running pretty well, so hopefully we'll be out racing in that. And if you haven't checked out that series, I suggest you do, because it's jolly interesting. Yes, Porsche 944 with a Chevy small block, which apparently, supposedly now, is outputting somewhere in the region of 350 brake horsepower, so it should be fun. Anyway, if you want to see how we put that together, check out the episodes on the Porsche. So the main issue was that the CVs had no cap on one end, which is not unusual. It just so happens David's Integrale was down there and ripping that apart in the same area, and likewise had no caps on their CVs. So yeah, the grease basically found its way out between the join. The ball bearings themselves were a little damaged, strong word. So we're going to put new ones in, we're going to get it completely rebuilt, repacked, and put a cap on the end. We're still a little dubious as to the appropriate length of the half shafts themselves. We're going to live with it. We're going to drop it down onto the second mount for the swing arm. Is that what it is? I don't know. A-arm. So hopefully that'll push the wheel out a little bit further, give us a little bit more slack in there, which is kind of what we need. But generally good news. Transmission is therefore not knackered, so that's good. Half shafts themselves are okay. So I look forward to having it on the road very shortly. Mike's also going to recommission the AC, the air conditioning, and see if it blows it all apart like it did last time. And what else is he going to do? Oh yeah, he's going to take a look at my alternator mount adjustment potential. See if that's a good idea, and see if it'll get rid of our squeaky belts. Now we got rid of the clunking. So I'll keep you posted on all that, and do another video very shortly, hopefully. So meantime, thanks for tuning in again. If you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere, and let's get that baby back on the road. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.